Bless you.
Oh damn. Is there like a little
No. I have a receipt. Bless you. Don't open the window. Don't do it.